Hey, what's going on, guys? This is another edition of Smackin or Lackin. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do this via voiceover, being that my microphone decided to act up on me. But today we are going to be reviewing this Tonkotsu Miso Ramen Kit that I got from Costco. This kit cost $9.99 if I'm not mistaken. My children love ramen, so when I saw this, I decided to pick it up. This is a miso ramen that does have pork belly included in the pack. So we're going to go ahead and cook it up according to the directions. I'm not going to add anything extra to it. And I'm going to let you guys know whether or not this is smacking or lacking. So you all stay tuned and let's get right into it. Again, Tonkotsu Miso Ramen Kit. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and bust this kit wide open and see what's on the inside here. It says it has 4 servings in this kit. So you would think that would be enough for 4 people if it's 4 servings. However, when we did get it open, you'll see that it really boils down to about 2 servings with the amount of noodles they give you. Now, there's a lot of broth in here, but as far as the amount of noodles and everything that they give you, it really was just 2 servings. So it was enough from each one of my daughters to have a nice big bowl of this miso ramen. So it comes with a pork belly. It comes with your noodles, a seasoning packet with little vegetables and stuff inside, and your pork belly. All right, so being that I wanted to make sure that everything was distributed evenly, I just made 2 different pots, and we're just going to assemble them, each one in each pot. That way each girl will get the exact same amount of pork belly and noodles, and there's no discrepancies between the two. So you can see how rich and thick or dark this ramen broth is. It smells really, really good, and it does have a really nice color consistency. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to bring it up to a boil. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our pork belly to get that heated up nicely. Then we'll add in our noodles. It's only going to take a few minutes for those noodles to cook and get done. So it really is, it comes together really, really quickly. So there goes the pork belly. And again, just for a couple minutes. Now, it said to add the noodles first and then the pork belly. That just seems counterintuitive to me. So I went on and added in the pork belly first, and then we'll go ahead and put the noodles in, and then the little seasoning packet that comes along with it. All right, so let me finish putting this thing together, and then I'll let you guys see what the final product looks like. All right, family, so here is the final product. Now, when it's all assembled and put in a bowl, it looks really, really good. You can see it has those nice big slices of pork belly in there, those thick noodles, that rich broth, and then the vegetables and scallions and whatever. They were freeze dried, but when you put them in the broth, everything seems like it came to life pretty good. So they look good, they smell good. Let's see how they taste. All right, so I did say I was making these for my kids. What I am going to do, I'm just going to taste the broth. I'm not going to go ahead and dig into the noodles. I'm going to taste the pork belly as well, and the broth, and let you guys see if it's smacking or lacking. It's, again, it smells really good, and these are some pretty large bowls, so you can see the quantity that you get for each serving. So I would say it's more like 2 servings as opposed to 4. Now it tastes pretty good. It has a nice rich miso flavor. However, it is lacking on the salt. So that's the one good thing about ramen, is that you can add in all types of things to your ramen to kind of make it your own. So whether that's putting in extra fish sauce or sriracha or soy sauce or chili oil, you could add all those things in here and it would make it so much better. But as it stands and as it sits, it's good, but it could be better. However, for $5 per portion, I definitely say it's worth it. If you go to a ramen shop, although your ramen will be better, you're going to pay way more for the portion. So I would say it's definitely smacking in regards to what you get for the money. Again, once you add in all your extra good stuff to it, your garnishes and your extra sauces or whatever you put in your ramen, then I believe that you will truly love it. So it's worth a shot. If you're ever in your local Costco, go ahead and pick it up. And let me know what you think. And if you've tried it before, give me your opinion on the down below. But other than that, this was Smackin' or Lackin'. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if you can. And until the next time, we'll catch you on the next one. God bless.